How to use star codes in Roblox mobile. So first, what you want to do is just open up your Roblox app, wait for it to load, and once you're there, just simply click on the Roblox icon on the top right corner of your screen and wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, just simply scroll down to the very bottom and you will see tap here to add a star code. So simply click on the tap here word right there and this will pop up. So a bar will pop up where you could input the star code that you want. So I have a random star code right here, which I saw earlier. I'm just going to input right here and simply click on add. I'll also add in the description some list of star codes that you could input right here. So as you can see, it says you are supporting Alpha GG. I'm going to click on the question mark icon. This will reveal this, which says enter a star code to support your favorite video star. It will earn 5% of your purchase and you will keep the Robux you paid for. And once you've added that star code, you can now buy any Robux or any amount of Robux that you want, which will eventually give the 5% of your purchase to the star code or owner of the star code right here. And if you want to remove the star code, just simply click on remove right there. As you can see, it will automatically be removed. That's how you basically use star codes in Roblox mobile.